Hi guys, welcome to Nendo Twin 22. Vanessa here speaking, and today we have another unboxing video of a Nendoroid, and this is Nendoroid number 1086, Zeyan Li Nendoroid. So who is Zeyan Li? He is from the popular smartphone game called Love and Producer, and here he is. Okay, he's wearing a formal clothing, kinda look luxurious Nendoroid look, as you can see with that serious faceplate for the primary faceplate here. So this is the front of the box, and here is the side of the box. So this one, he's holding a credit card with his closed eyes faceplate, and here is the back of the box. So here he uses his phone, and then he also hand over this dessert. And here is the side, him holding the dessert and also him using the phone. And here is the bottom, here is the top of the box. So by the way, my box is broken. I don't know what happened. I just hope that the figure itself is not broken, probably because of the delivery. Anyway, I gonna cut the sticker at the bottom, and then use a card to open the box carefully without damaging the box. Oh dear, what happened? Oh, there you go. So really unboxing video. So at the bottom, here is the manual about the Nendoroid. Don't worry, it has an English and Japanese translation for this Nendoroid. So here is a description of what's inside the box and what are the parts of this Nendoroid, and also how to use the faceplate and then the hair, and also here how to use the stand of this Nendoroid. So let's keep it going. As I told you, that my box is really, you know, a damage. It's okay. I just taped the box. This Nendoroid has only one layer. So here he is. Okay, isn't he cute? This is the main Nendoroid itself, and then he got two extra face plates. Also extra hands and parts that he holds. We'll release this Nendoroid from the plastic. Just bear with me. I will not fast forward so we can enjoy the unboxing, video. So anyway, here he is. Okay, yes, a lot of plastic, and there's a bubble wrap, which is good. They take good care of the Nendoroid in terms of the packaging. He looks serious. I think he looks great with glasses. We will remove the plastics that his body has. His hair looks blue. It looks dark if you look at it far, but if you get closer, it looks like violet, blue, indigo could be. I don't know. Depends on your eyes how you see it, guys. So I really like it here because he's wearing formal attire. If you want an office look for your other Nendoroids, you can use this Nendoroid's body for it. Okay, here is the front of the Nendoroid. Here is the side. the back, the other side, bottom. This is the pants, and also the top of the Nendoroid. Sorry, my hand has a coloring because I just used coloring pens. Anyway, we'll take a look about here the face plates. So the other faceplate the other faceplate looks like the primary one. The difference is that the lips is different, but the eyes kind of side look, but not obvious that he's looking at the other side. Almost similar with the primary, and then the next is the closed eyes faceplate, and it has a sweat, or I don't know if it's a tear or a sweat here at the other side, and his mouth is open. Now let's see about the other parts of this Nendoroid. I know that there's a lot. Okay, so here are the hands of the Nendoroid. This other hand can have this effect wherein seems like he placed his hand on his pocket. So the other one, let's see if it's for a credit card. Oh, that's nice. So it's made to hold the credit card, but it's sleeping. Oh dear. Let's see the other. So the hand is attached to the phone. It's not removable, but the hand itself is removable from these sleeves. The credit card obviously is removable, so here is the credit card. Take a look at these details. There it is, it's detailed. And here is the back of the credit card, just plain black. But the front is detailed of this credit card. For the phone, what's the detail of the phone? So it's removable from the sleeves, but the phone is not removable. So here's the design of the phone, and then the back of the phone together with the hand. So here is another accessory, and this one has a dessert together with a hand attached to it. It's not removable, it's attached. I haven't figured out how this Nendoroid will hand over this credit card of his. I'm having a hard time, to be honest. I'll just discover it later how to do this. By the way, I don't know. It's really hard, guys. Maybe like this. Yeah, could be. Could be like this. So obviously the credit card is removable from the hand, and the hand itself is removable also from the sleeves of the Nendoroid. So for this Nendoroid, it comes up with an ordinary stand like what other Nendoroids usually has. So we'll remove it from the plastic. It comes with an extra neck joint. This is the neck joint, and this is the stand that matches up his skin tone. And this is the stand. It's just an ordinary stand like what other Nendoroids has. So anyway, we're gonna take a look of possible pose for this Nendoroid, so stay tuned guys. Alright, so here is the pose that I made for this Nendoroid. So as you can see, it's evening here. This one, he's holding his credit card, and he has sweat face here. It's really hard to attach the card on his hand, to be honest. Okay, I tried a couple of times just to hand him this credit card, to be honest guys. And anyway, let's proceed on with the next possible pose for this Nendoroid. So for this pose guys, I use this arm, which will make him look like as if he insert his hand on his pocket. And also I use the phone and the side look faceplate, so that it may look like he is answering his phone, looking at his phone. Okay, make almost look like the primary one. So anyway, that's it guys. So thank you for watching, and sending you all peace, love and light. Bye.